guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing two mini albums with you. These are very simple and they are meant to hold 8 pictures or 7 pictures with a large journaling spot, and they are meant to be mailable so that you can send them through snail mail in an envelope and just send them out. So here they are. And the papers that I used mainly are by Craft, and the cover art that you see here is Craft's Barber Shop, and this is a nice masculine collection, and I interspersed it with some extra papers that I either had left over or that I thought matched this paper well, because I only had 2 sheets of the Barbershop collection. I sometimes do that, I only buy 1 or 2 sheets, the ones that I like particularly from a certain collection, without having to buy the entire pack. So there's a tip for you, just buy 1 or 2 and make a smaller project. Now on the back here you see a different Craft collection, and on the inside there are some other papers as well. So masculine mini albums that you can send through mail. And then I also have an extra, because I had this one piece of paper left over, and I also had printed some extra pictures. So this is a very simple card. Let me show you this now. And it is a single-sided paper that I used. Normally I would use a double-sided paper if there is no cardstock, but today I thought I'd use a single-sided paper because I wanted a white inside. So this is the paper. Put a picture here that I printed myself, and then I did some layering here and stamped knuffel, which is Dutch for hug, and lifted it with some dimensional tape, and then I just traced around it with some stickles, and that's it. Oh, and I also did some digital scrapping, so this is one print but it looks layered. So let me show you that up close. So here you can see the digital scrapbooking part. So I layered this picture digitally on top of this, well, sort of ADC card here, and then I layered a digital butterfly on top of that. I also did some die cutting here, so 3 different feathers, and then, they came with some stamps as well, so I stamped the feathers insides, as it were, on top of them. So 3 feathers, and here is the knuffel stamped that I already mentioned, and lifted that with some dimensional tape. So there you go. And on the inside there's also a digitally scrapped picture, so I decorated it digitally and then fussy cut around it, and I added a large journaling spot here. So this is actually meant to be sort of a photo stand, so my mother, who will receive this is my mom, and my uncle, she can just put it like that, and there you go, or she can open it up and put it like this, so she has 2 pictures to set on a table or something, just a temporary photo stand. So there is an idea for you as well. So let's move on to the mini albums, and stay tuned, because at the end of the video I have done a video tutorial on how to construct this as an album. So I haven't filmed the decorating because you can do that yourself, was my thinking. And if you don't know how, I have a video tutorial on how to mat, so check that out. And but the construction, there's a video tutorial at the end of this video. So let's go and look inside. All right, so here we go. So there is a somewhat feminine version and a more masculine version. So let's start with the more masculine version, by which I mean there is no stuff, no fuss around here, no flowers, stickles, bows, and all these girly things. So there is just a magnetized closure with a ribbon pull, and I always think that some sort of technique thingy well, men usually like that. So kept it simple, said happy birthday here, stamped, and then this is the magnetized closure. So open it up, lovely paper here, and here you go. So I made 4 small journaling spots here because this is meant as a group gift. So I will give this with 3 extra persons to a 5th colleague of ours. So we are a team of 5, and the 4 of us will be writing some small birthday wishes here. And then here I will add pictures of some team activities that we did. And yeah, so here you can see the picture. This is some Kaisercraft paper from the barbershop collection, Studio Light. This is a different Kaisercraft collection. This is barbershop again. Lovely, I love these wood papers. This is Studio Light, again barbershop, which is double-sided. And this is the other Kaisercraft collection again, and Studio Light. So lovely papers for a more masculine project. And let's look at the back. I used some brads here, and that's it. So, and what I also like to show you maybe is how the booklet looks. So there is sort of a different way that I did this. Normally I would stack them on top of each other, but now I actually sort of made a book. And I will show you that, as I told you, at the end of this video. So let's move on to the second one. So this one is actually going to a man. This one is going to a woman, but it is about a man. So that's why I chose masculine paper, but I did decorate it some more because this is going to my aunt. And this is to commemorate my uncle who recently passed away and would have had his birthday soon. So this is why I am sending this off to my aunt. So here is the same paper, but this time decorated. I used a Kaisercraft ATC card and die cut a circle from it, and it says "Enjoy your little things," stickled around it, and made my own banner here. I used 2 decorative brads that I thought matched the paper very well, and then I cut 2 sentiments here, or 2 words actually, handsome and charming, from the Kaisercraft paper. This time I used a ribbon closure with a bow, so it's slightly more feminine. And on the back there is a different Kaisercraft collection that I loved because of these white roses, which I thought were very fitting. So let's open it up. And this time you can see the pictures that I filled it up with. So the first picture here, it has my uncle and it says "At peace." Now I made it into a corner pocket, so I can tuck this ATC card behind it, and it says, "A smile happens in a flash, but its memory can last a lifetime." And this will be my journaling spot. So here is the place that I will write my personal message to my aunt, and then just tuck it into this corner pocket here. Now I did some digital scrapbooking, I think on most of the pictures that you will see here, and then printed them and fussy cut around them. So let me show you that up close. So this has again a sort of an ATC card effect, and then I layered this "At peace" on top of it, added a digital flower, and added a digital flower here as well and here as well. So this is one print, but I did the layering digitally. Now you already saw this picture in the card that I showed you just now. So it's to say I just printed it twice. And then here is another set of 2. Now here I stickled around these 2 pictures and decorated digitally, here with a flower, here with 2 flowers, and here with a butterfly. Now here I added a digital border, so this blue one here, and added digitally some flowers again, and here the same thing, so the blue border here, and then 3 digital flowers added, and same idea here, so blue border here with a digital banner here, digital flowers, and then here you saw this one as well. You saw it on the other card. So again, the ATC card, digital, added a picture to it, added a butterfly to it digitally. So here you can see the effect not only from adding pictures to this kind of mini album, but also the effect of digital scrapbooking and then fussy cutting. So this is an idea for you. So I like that effect a lot. It just gives it more interest without adding bulk, because of course I could have done this with real flowers, but then the booklet would have been like sort of a crocodile mouth, right? It would be like this, and that would be more difficult to put through the mail, and I really want to send this out through the mail to my aunt. So these were the two albums, the masculine one and the more feminine one, and both with a masculine theme. So I hope you like this idea of the mini albums that you can send through the mail. You can do all kinds of themes, of course. I chose a masculine theme, but you can do anything you like. You can make a Christmas theme, a wedding theme, a baby theme, a vacation theme, well, anything you can come up with. And I also showed you this very simple card idea, also a photo stand, so room for 2 pictures, and a simple single-sided piece of sturdy scrapbook paper. And I also showed you the tutorial on how to make this kind of mini album. So let me know if you like these ideas and if you enjoyed this video by clicking the thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, leave a comment in the comment section, ask your questions or anything you'd like to say to me. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.